This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Let's start with the fundamentals. Mastering your movement is key to survival. Practice sprinting to quickly traverse the map and utilize slides and dives to evade enemy fire or quickly get into cover. Always aim down your sights for better accuracy during engagements. Pay close attention to your minimap. It provides crucial information about enemy positions and objective locations, giving you a significant tactical advantage. Now, let's dive into the core game modes. In Domination, your goal is to capture and hold 3 designated zones to accumulate points for your team. Team Deathmatch is straightforward. Eliminate enemy players until your team reaches the score limit, typically 75 to 100 eliminations. For Hardpoint, teams fight to control a rotating objective zone, earning points for every second they hold it. Understanding these objectives is crucial for victory. Customizing your loadout is vital for success. Select a primary weapon, like an assault rifle or submachine gun, and a secondary, such as a pistol, that complements your preferred combat range. Attachments can significantly improve weapon performance, offering benefits like reduced recoil or increased damage range. Don't forget perks, which provide passive abilities and lethal and tactical equipment, like grenades or stun devices, for strategic plays. Experiment to find what works best for you. To elevate your gameplay, focus on advanced strategies. Always use cover to your advantage, exposing yourself only when necessary to engage enemies. Effective communication with your teammates is paramount. Call out enemy positions and coordinate pushes. Pay attention to sound cues, like footsteps or gunfire, to anticipate enemy movements. Understanding spawn points and map flow will also give you a significant edge, allowing you to predict where enemies will appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.